too quick. He got me. He got me. God damn, he done got me, y'all. Oh, he let it still be able. Uh-oh, bam. Don't let her get her braids.
I paid $200.
Okay, I think she got a good deal too. I think she got a good deal. Okay, okay, y'all. Look at, I don't know what. They done got me again, man. That goddamn truck.
Hey, you gotta come up, cuz. You gotta earn your way up, though.
This is Joe.
You coming?
Yeah, what's up with it?
Yeah, say I got your taco.
Yeah.
He knew this was coming.
Yeah.
He was ready already.
Slim Thug. Say I got Slim Thug on the first one.
Yeah.
And then we got him just on the phone.
Damn. Hey, it was a close race, man.
I lay in the bed watching y'all.
Hey, y'all.
You brought me out for my birthday, so yeah, now I owe you.
I already appreciate it, man. Already.
Put the Mustang on his ass.
Yeah, I gotta get the Mustang for him, man.
You mash your button too?
Yeah. He supposed to be on the motor. He supposed to be on the motor.
It's a good night for us.
Yeah, it was a good one. It was a good one.
Hey, I was telling you, you gave him a run, though.
This better than laying in the bed.
You definitely gave him a run.
Hey. Yeah, y'all. I done got popped in it. Hey, where fucking town? I need some peroxide. I need some peroxide, man.
Oh, yeah.
All right, go ahead, yeah, man. Hey, fucking town, I need some peroxide, man.
Bag on. Okay, hey.
Somebody said they saying he. Hey, Funky Town, I need some peroxide, Funky Town. I'm gonna ask Funky Town. Right lane. Hey, Funky Town. Funky Town, they say he sprayed me, man. They said he was spraying. They said that.
He probably did. Yeah, I know. Okay, I owe you 20. We'll get changed.
Funky Town.
They say he sprayed.
Yeah.
But you was spinning.
Yeah, it did spin. When it got half track, yeah, that mug was spinning.
Yeah, you spin down there, all the way down there.
Damn, man.
But you had to, I don't know if you kind of got off.
I ain't get off of it.
Oh, okay, it was spinning.
It was spinning.
It was spinning.
Damn. It did good the first pass.
Man, you might have touched that button.
Yeah.
They say he did.
They say. Yeah.
Did you look to see? You ain't look.
He was right there. It was a close race. It was neck and neck. He made it to where he was just right here. Like it was just right there. He was just staying right there.
All right, bet that 20 back.
Take that 20 back. Take the other side.
All right, bet that 20. Bet that 20.
And a while ago, I just made a pass. It didn't do no spinning.
Yeah, he got this one. You got this one, man. You got that. Hey, bet 40. Bet 40. Bet 40.
No.
I already bet it 20. 10, right? 10. 20. 10, 20.
Stop. What's wrong?
Nah, we ain't looking for nobody.
Hey, stall back up, man. Stall back up. No, you good.
Left lane. Okay. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. later, ain't getting up but 100 more subscribers. Dang. Look out. Dinko in the house. Appreciate that, Bert Gummer. I had just got me that extra today, y'all. That's another car that's broke down up here at the Yello Belly. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all hitting that like, share, subscribe button. Appreciate that Masternator with the fake media support fund. I appreciate it, I appreciate it, I appreciate it. All right, look out, y'all. Somebody then all down the track. About to go down here. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. We're about to go ahead and end it. We've been on here 3 hours. Y'all look out. Y'all have y'all a good night. I'm finna be working on the Mustang. I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow or Saturday, but I'm gonna be working on that Mustang. So y'all make sure y'all, you know, be ready for that. Have your notifications on. Finna go over here. Let me see. Finna go over here, give me some tacos. If everything's still going live, something come back through. If something come back through before we have to wrap it up, you know, I'll record it. Look out.